Hi, I'm David Croydon. I trade as Hilltop Consultancy. I spent something like 12 years building up a business from scratch and then selling it. So I've done most of the things that small businesses are trying to do. I'm assuming you've got an exit plan. I work with owner-managers of small businesses now, helping them to grow the business and, if necessary, to exit it at the end. I hope I can work with you, but if not, I hope I'll meet you at a B4 event. I do find B4 particularly good for meeting people, but also because they always pick really good venues, places that you go, I wish I'd been there. Oh, I can now, I can go to this B4 event. So, see you there, I hope.